Once, in the gentle flow of time, on June 26, 1953, in the quiet village of Madgul, Nizam, within the Rangaraved district, a son was born into the Madabushi family, to late Sri Narasimhachari and late Srimati Kalyanamma. They named him Srinivasan, unaware that fate had already written a remarkable story for him. Not long after, on July 21, 1953, in Kundulti of the Shadnagar district, a daughter graced the Mankhala family. Born to late Sri Rangachavi and late Srimati Seshamma, she was named Venkat Lakshmi, a name that would one day echo warmth, grace and strength. Srinivasan glowed into a spirited young man. His heart was drawn towards pursuing law, yet destiny called him towards responsibility, guiding him to support his family and siblings. He joined Nuclear Fuel Complex, which comes under the Department of Atomic Energy, a division of Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai in the year 1971 at the tender age of 17. After his training, he returned home to Shamshabad, carrying not just ambition, but resilience. Meanwhile, Venkat Lakshmi blossomed into a ravishing, radiant beauty, gentle yet strong. With a degree in science in hand, she began her professional journey in 1974 at Telephone Bhavan, now known as BSNL, stepping confidently into a world of promise. And then, destiny intervened. Their paths crossed, hearts aligned, and in each other they found a bond that words struggled to hold. They fell deeply in love, dreaming of forever, even when the road ahead was uncertain. Though opposition arose, it was Sri Narasimhachari, Srinivasan's father, who stood firmly beside love and choice, giving his blessing to their union. Thus, on this very day, April 12, 1976, in Shamshabad, surrounded by family members and quiet courage, Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi were united in marriage. What began as two separate journeys became a story of love, resolve, and togetherness that continues to inspire even today. This union became the first love marriage of its time, a quiet rebellion guided by the heart, and a lasting inspiration for countless young souls who dare to dream of their own new beginnings. As the years unfolded gently, love found new expression. On September 26, 1977, within the caring walls of Kishore Nursing Home in Anantapur, Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi were blessed with their first child, Srivatsa, who was initially named Vamshi Krishna, became a living testament to their growing world. Time continued its graceful march. The family journeyed from Nallakunta to Chikkarpalli and then onward to Sultan Bazaar, each home holding memories, each move marking a new chapter. It was here on October 3, 1983 at Hegde Nursing Home in Musrambad that their lives were further enriched with the birth of their second child, Srikar Bhardwaj, completing the circle of their young family. The passing years found Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi deeply devoted to nurturing their children, balancing responsibilities with care, patience and love. It was Venkat Lakshmi who stood as pillar of strength, a devoted wife, a steadfast companion, a guide and silent pillar of support during moments of happiness and sorrow. By her side, Srinivasan found resilience, for without her unwavering presence, many of his dreams might have remained unfulfilled. Through every hardship, Srinivasan pressed forward. He continued his academic pursuits while nurturing his passion for singing and theatre. He graced national-level competitions, performed in countless theatrical productions, and travelled across India and the then united Andhra Pradesh, earning accolades that echoed his dedication and talent. Ever a seeker of knowledge, Srinivasan went on to acquire an impressive array of degrees and certifications. He started with completing BA in Arts, then went on to finish Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Master's degree in Metallurgy from IIM Calcutta, Postgraduate Diploma in Operational Management, Diploma in Industrial Safety, OSHA certification, MA Astrology, to name a few. Overall, he has 6 degrees, 5 diplomas, 4 postgraduate courses to his credit, each one a reflection of perseverance, discipline, and an unyielding thirst to grow, which would not have been possible without support from his better half.
सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल.
In the year 1999, as time gently turned a meaningful page, the elder son Srivatsa stood on the threshold of completing his graduation, while their younger son Srikar prepared to finish his schooling. It was a season of milestones, hope and quiet pride. In that moment of fulfillment, Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi made a decision to move from their rented home to the doorway of a long-cherished dream, their first home of their own, nestled in Malapur. The joy of that achievement overflowed their hearts. To mark the arrival of this new chapter, the couple celebrated by hosting a lavish gathering, a joyful testament of years of love and dreams that had finally found their home. As the years gracefully unfolded, their elder son Srivatsa discovered his true calling in computer engineering, stepping with confidence into a life defined by skill and purpose. His journey soon intertwined with Padmaja, the elder daughter of Sri Amarnath and Srimati Lalita, uniting two families in harmony. Their union was solemnized on May 1st, 2004 at Vasapi Kalyana Mandapam, Khairatabad in a magnificent celebration of love and togetherness. Surrounded by well-wishers and their blessings, the wedding stood as a joyous testament and the family's legacy carried forward with pride. In March 2006, guided by opportunity and hope, Srivatsa journeyed to Kuwait to pursue his professional path. Yet destiny, in its beautiful symmetry, had another gift to bestow. On June 26th, the very day his father Srinivasan was born, Srivatsa and Padmaja were blessed with their precious son Sriniket, a joyful reminder of life's gentle cycles and enduring bonds. After celebrating Sriniket's first birthday, Padmaja joined Srivatsa in Kuwait in 2007. The young family setting down new roots across distant shores, their love and togetherness guiding the way. As one branch of the family spread its wings across the world, another flourished closer to home. Srikar, having completed his education, stepped steadily into his own professional journey, adding yet another chapter to a family story shaped by growth, confidence, and promise.
My name is Lakhan, सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन.
As the years unfolded, Srikar crossed paths with his soulmate Preeti Bhargavi, the beloved daughter of late Sri Surinder Babu and Srimati Anuradha, their meeting destined to occur amid the joy of a cousin's wedding. Drawn together by shared hearts and hopes, they chose to walk life's journey side by side. The families came together in harmony, love and understanding growing effortlessly between them, their collective blessings gently sailing a promise of unity and togetherness. Thus, on August 15, 2010, at the beautiful V&R Gardens, Mallapur, Srikar and Preeti were united in marriage. The celebration was grand and radiant, with loved ones gathered, each bearing witness, each offering blessings, as two lives were woven into one amid joy, tradition, and enduring love. In the year 2011, destiny offered yet another cherished moment as Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi crossed a new threshold together, stepping into their home at Gulmohar Gardens. It was a joyful milestone, a space shaped by years of love and shared dreams, where memories would bloom anew and happiness would find a lasting address.
किसी को देखना होगा तो पहले आके घर, ये मेरा घर।
ये घर बहुत हसीन है,
ये घर बहुत हसीन है।
ये घर बहुत हसीन है।
In the year 2012, love found another joyful form. On February 20th, Srikar and Preeti were blessed with a son, Shriyansh Bharadwaj, a bundle of boundless energy, playful mischief, and laughter that filled every corner of their lives.
ముద్దు మాటలే మాధన ధాన్యాలు, ఎదగాలి ఇంతకు ఇంత ఈ పసికోనా, ఏలాలి జగమంతా ఎప్పటికైనా, మహారాజులా జీవించాలి నిండు నూరేళ్ళు, సిరులొలికించే చిన్ని.
All through these years, both Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi had precious moments with family members, trips to multiple destinations across India. The time had come for Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi to take retirement from their services. The retirement again was celebrated with multiple parties that were hosted by their sons and daughter-in-laws.
हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल।
Srikar and Preeti were blessed with their second child, a baby girl, Srinidhi Bharadwaj, in the year 2017 on September 17th, a bundle of love, master of secrets, commander, and laughter that filled every corner of their lives.
एक नन्ही परी चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई, हो मेरे घर आई। एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी।
After retirement, Venkat Lakshmi has been at home taking care of household chores and family responsibilities, while Srinivasan continues his greed of seeking knowledge by earning degrees over degrees. Currently pursuing MA Psychology, he is aiming to complete his PhD. I truly wish him all success in all his endeavors. And through it all, love remained constant, quietly enduring, deeply rooted, and beautifully timeless. 50 years have softly etched their grace upon a love that still remains, steadfast through storms, serene in calm, made richer by its joys and pains. As this golden moment guides you, may your hearts always be young and your hands always close. The love story of Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi, their lives, their way of life, and their mutual love as husband and wife will forever remain a guiding light for all of us couples. Srinivasan and Venkat Lakshmi, happy golden 50th wedding anniversary to both of you. God bless you.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक। और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं।